Good morning, it's Monday and a new week for the Insanity Challenge has started. I did work out this morning. It was Instagram Live and I forgot to record it to put it on here. I can't do both at the same time, but I did work out. I have a short wedding that I gotta go shoot. I took a little nap in the car because I was a little tired from this weekend's 4 a.m. wake ups for the Army, and yeah, I feel a little tired right now, but not so much. So I'll see you guys when I get hungry or something happens. ¿Lista? Ahí va. 1, 2. Oh. Ok, espérate. Lisa, tú ¿Lista? ¿Lista? 1, 2. Ok, tráelo. Cambiamos, tú para arriba y yo para abajo. Dale. ¡Ay! ¡Qué rápido! No, se va a caer. ¿Lista? ¡Ah! Nice. Mira, súbete poquito a las escaleras y aviéntalo por las escaleras. Ve pues. Poquito nomás. Ahí. Ahí. Para acá, ¿eh? Para acá. Ok. Lisa, échalo. No, de ahí. Okay. Muy bien.
Auntie Sarah, look. Seesaw.
Good morning. I didn't do the workout today because we made a fort last night. Plus I stayed up to 2 o'clock in the morning because I came up with a new app idea. So I'm gonna have to make that workout out later on. I got Army Day today. So yesterday after I came home, I ate some leftover pork rinds and the sauce that I made the day before, and I ate way too much. I added an avocado to it, and so I wasn't really hungry for dinner, so I didn't eat anything. Everybody just ate leftovers, and then I started working on an app that I want to share with you guys later on. So I haven't coded anything in a long time, so I'm trying to do something that's simple but at least usable. And so I'm gonna eat some lunch right now. I got some leftover taco salad with some avocado. It looks like it might be too much, but I'm just gonna eat that, and then if anything I'll just prep dinner and then just sit down and talk. Dale. Okay, muy bien. Ya, Lisa. Hey guys, so I've been kind of all over with the vlogging. I didn't even vlog anything yesterday, which is Wednesday. I'm also late with the vlog for Wednesday. It's Thursday actually, and so I'm trying to get everything nice and tight, but I'm struggling with it. But let me show you guys what I cooked for dinner. Last time it was so good that I had to make it again. So this is another slow cooked pork. About 3 weeks ago I bought a 15-pound pork butt from Costco, and so I cut it up in 3 pieces, and this is my last piece right here. And so I made it the same as last time, but this time instead of adding the green peppers, I'm gonna add some cabbage to make it more like a Hawaiian kaloa pork. And so that's how it looks for now. I'm gonna shred it and then throw it in the pan and throw some cabbage in. All right, so nobody wants to finish this broccoli and cheese soup, and before it goes bad, what I decided to do is cook some spam, some open spam, and then throw it in there and eat it. And I still got the pork cooking, but I'll eat that so it doesn't go to waste. And then if I'm still hungry, I'll eat some salad or some pork. A ver, enséñame la sangre. Ya. Ok, vamos pues. Lisa. Hey guys, it is Friday afternoon. I just got back from shooting a wedding. I keep wanting to make videos when I'm home, but just listen to how it sounds here in my house. So especially when it's raining. So it's kind of hard to shoot video when I have to think about all the noises coming out of from this window. So that kind of holds me back a lot of the times. I just realized when I finished editing last week's video that I didn't shoot it all on Wednesday, and this Wednesday I didn't shoot it all. Plus today I didn't do the insanity workout, so that's 4 days that I missed: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now technically the day's not over, so I might do a couple workouts today before I have to go pick up the girls. But it's just this week, there's so many things that I have in my head that they're keeping me from focusing on one thing. And I want to make a video and show you guys everything that I'm trying to work on, but every time I'm home it's just loud like this, and it's a bunch of things just kind of come and get in the way. So for now I just want an update. I'm about to eat lunch. I got some leftover chicken wings and some eggplant and zucchini kind of saute, kind of stir fry. I got a bunch of stuff that I want to post on Craigslist and let go so I can sell. And then there's a few people that send me messages on stuff that I already posted, and so I'm going to reply to those messages. Hopefully they have time and they can come pick it up soon today, and then that'll be extra cash that'll go into the monthly budget. Mira, aquí están las letras. Aprieta la C, 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 D, E. Así. Sí.
Papá, C, 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 A, E, O, I.
Lisa, espérate.
Yo quiero ser.
Ok, no se peleen. Lisa, espérate, ok. Dale. Lisa, ven para acá, ven acá. Yeah. No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Antes no podías. Dale. Hey, ¿te pegaste? Hey guys, so it's Saturday afternoon. I just ate some leftover shredded pork. I'm getting ready to go shoot a wedding in Laie. It's a couple from San Francisco, so they're not from here and they're not from Hawaii. They're not a Japanese wedding, so that's pretty I'm excited about it because I get to be a little bit more free, a little bit more artistic when it's my own clients. So it's gonna be, should be fun. I also did some grocery shopping today. We're in the middle of the week and I'm just a little bit past $300. So that means we're doing pretty good as far as our budget of $600 for the whole month. Also, I noticed that today at Costco, we got bright quick. Today at Costco, I spent about $150. $69 worth of were processed foods that we buy for the girls. So looking at those $70 worth of processed foods didn't make me feel too good. So we're gonna work on trying to make the snacks on our own, and so that way, you know, summer's coming up, so they won't have to take it to school, but at least maybe they can learn to make their own, or we can make some, and so we can practice for when they go back to school. So yeah, so we're gonna try to work on that, but everything's looking good so far. I didn't work out this morning. That is definitely not working out for me. That's definitely still a failure that I got to work on. Hey everybody, so today is the first day in a while since we got some sun so that we can jump in the pool. And so today in the morning we went to the flea market. I gave them each $1 to see if they can find something or multiple things for less than $1. They did. She got a little pool toy, and then she got some kites and ¿qué más?
Camera.
And a camera. And so yeah, they did. It was pretty successful. So we're gonna take them to the pool because they behaved well all week. And so the reward is a mystery, which is the swap meet pool. And then since they're still being good right now, maybe I'll take them to the park after if they behave. ¿Se van a portar bien? Okay, so we're gonna play in the pool. Bye bye.
Papi, espérame. Papá, mañana es el Liam cumpleaños.
Liam, no?
No, Liam.
Oh, Liam?
Liga.
Oh, okay. Hey everybody! Hey everybody! We're checking in. We're at the park and it's raining. And they're eating not keto-friendly food. Definitely not keto-friendly. But that's them, not me. They walked a lot today, which is pretty impressive, especially for this one right here. So, so far we've gone probably around the entire block. We went to the library, the park. We're in a second park now. We're taking pictures on the way over here. So it's an adventurous day so far. Oh, and then they were taking pictures of a papaya tree, and the guy came out and gave us one. So that's pretty cool. So now they got papaya to eat later on. Free!
Yay!
Yay! It's dinner time, so we've had a long day. We just finished playing some card games. They helped me with the salad. We're eating some leftover. I got some pulled pork with avocado. They got some pasta with pasta sauce. And yeah, real simple. We're just gonna eat and then maybe play some more games after if they behave. But they've been pretty good today, so I don't know. I might give in and let them watch TV, but maybe not. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.